So to service your Smartank, you require 3 filters. There's your sediment filter, your carbon filter, and your carbon block filter. Now they come as a set of 3. You change all of them in one change. They're very simple to change. Grab the filter, twist it, and pull the filter away from the housing. You dispose of the whole filter in the process and replace it. We'd recommend you change one at a time to ensure that you change them like for like. Be careful not to muddle up or mix up these 2 filters. If you do, it could cause issues. So double check with your label at the top, carbon granular, carbon filter, and the carbon filter. Make sure you double check it. The DI filters, if they require changing, which is based on your TDS, simply unscrew the nuts at the back. Disconnect the pipes, pushing the shoulder in, pulling the pipe out, and then remove the DI filter for a resin change. Once it's been refilled, replace the filter back in its original location, refit the pipes, and reconnect the nuts. To dispose of the resin, we advise you to put it in a general waste black sack and put it in your general waste bin. It's not harmful, but we would advise that if you do have any concerns, please contact us and ask us for a cost sheet. You can download it off our website. Over a period of time, what you may find is your reverse osmosis unit takes a lot longer to fill up, or the TDS going into the tank, which is measured on the output here, is very high. That signifies the time for a change of your RO. We recommend that these 3 filters be changed every 4 months approximately, if you use the system every day, but maximum every 6 months. Don't let it go over 6 months, because what happens is the filter deteriorates in time. The resin filters you would change when the TDS of the resin on this cage here, operator 1, operator 2, goes above 5 ppm. You can go up to 10 ppm, but you will get spots on the glass, and we wouldn't advise it. So maximum would be 5 ppm, and you need to change it. On the reverse osmosis, we would advise that you don't let the TDS on this unit go higher than 35. In that case, you will use your resin up incredibly fast. The beauty about these Smartank systems is, even though you've got the reverse osmosis on board, the DI filter is after the pump, which means that if you are caught short and you need to top the tank up, you can quite easily take the tank lid off and can fill straight into the tank. And then once it's pumped out via the DI, it will make pure water. Bear in mind, this is not a very effective or cheap way of doing it. If you do have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us, either via our social media channels or via our website contact, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.